The cops just pulled up and I'm at the public range. Let's see how that goes. I'm gonna leave it running. What's up, homos? It's Broke Boy Ballistics. I'm gonna give y'all a comparison of the 43X and the 19X. I had this and I had to go get his baby brother to match, so thought I could pull both slides at the same time. Hell yeah. I'm gonna give each one of them about 5 shots at 10 yards at a target right beside each other, and we're gonna see exactly how they do. It's about 10 yards. Pretty average. Now, we're going to see exactly what the 43X does. Because at 10 yards, that grouping was not very good. So, we'll see what that looks like on the 43X. First time shooting it, 43X, MOS. Probably won't have a better grouping. It's got a lot shorter barrel. But we'll see. Sights are way the fuck off from the factory. Shooting left really fucking hard. I'm gonna have to aim to the fucking I have to aim way to the fucking right. That's some bitch. Might as well throw it away. I like this way better. From a carry standpoint, maybe if they're within 10 yards of you, the 43X might be fucking good. But it's got a bunch of downsides to it. This is, with the extended magazine, this is 17 plus 1. And this is 10 plus 1. And it doesn't come with an extension or extended magazine. Also, one thing I hate about the 43X that I've come to learn is it doesn't come with an FDE or Coyote Tan mag. Glock, that's fucking stupid. It should match it like this. Now I'm gonna have to go to your competitor, PSA, and get a different mag for the Dagger Micro. Because you can't make a mag that is matched to your gun. On a serious note, the 43X or the 19X, I'm picking the 19X every day. It's got 7 more rounds that can go with it. It's more accurate. It may be a little bit bigger gun, but I think that's a sacrifice I'm willing to make. I'm willing to sacrifice comfortability over capacity and accuracy. I will drop a picture of the targets right here, you know, somewhere over fucking here. Yeah. The left one is the 19X and the right one is the 43X. And that's at about 10 yards or a little less. So do with that information, do what you want to with that information. I'm picking the the 19X every day. The 43X is cool, it's compact, all that good shit, but comfortability isn't everything when you're having to conceal carry something like that. I guess he was just coming to make sure everything's alright. He kind of just made a loop through the parking lot and left, which is good. Y'all have a good one. You know, like, subscribe, all that good shit. I'll see y'all later, homos.